Conexión plays an integral part in the overall inclusion and collaboration strategy for Cisco. It's about creating an incubator for innovation, best practices, and most importantly, collaboration across the globe. And Conexión is one of those incubators. They are the first from an ERO perspective to provide value back to Cisco in multiple ways, not only through a cultural perspective, but more importantly through innovative products and innovative relationships that exist both inside of Cisco and outside of Cisco.
What we do as a board is to think strategically, in the short term and in the long term, about what programs we can put on to help the Latinos within Cisco grow professionally and get up to the CIO, CEO level, but as well as to develop other programs to bring more Latinos to Cisco.
We know that going into meetings, we see who's in the room, and there's not a whole lot of folks who look like us. My role is to take that message and convey in a positive way and work with our leadership team to help change that over the long term.
So as the co-chair of Conexión, we have the opportunity to influence some of the activity that happens within our different pillars. So we have professional development, where we provide professional development for our membership. We also have talent pipeline, which is a big focus these days, where we focus on bringing that Latino talent to Cisco and partnering with outside organizations and different universities to do so. We also have our outreach to the community, which we have Program Escuela, one of our big programs that we focus on K through 12 education and bringing that talent, educating them about Cisco and STEM and what their opportunities are as they go to college and can take careers in STEM.
Personally, I've met a wonderful group of professionals that really become an extended part of my familia. We really can come together and brainstorm. We can talk about how we can make a bigger impact in the Latino community, not only inside of Cisco, but also outside of Cisco.
So our Hispanic Heritage event was our first ever global over telepresence Cisco TV, where we brought together different sites, people from all over the world. We had over 500 folks registered, and it was a very exciting event. I think it gave us the opportunity to bring that professional development back to our membership, to bring us together again, to remind us of who Conexión is and what we're here for, and how we can have that outreach to the community and to bring that talent back into Cisco.
Join us at Cisco and join the Latino community, Conexión. I mean, I personally have been here 15 years. I grew up here at Cisco. It's an amazing culture. You work with amazingly smart people. We have fun. Today we had Zumba dancers come in to our event. You have the ability to make an impact by reaching out to the next generation of Latinos.
The call to action for me is just get involved. I think as Latinos, sometimes we wait for an invitation from, your tia, your cousin, and we're just such a family-oriented community. But the reality is that we're just asking you to get involved, reach out to someone, get out of your comfort zone. There's so many people who want your help, and it's just a matter of reaching out and letting it be known. If you're external to Cisco, the best way is to go to our cisco.com, and there are jobs, internships, lots of opportunities for you to become a part of the Cisco family, and we'd love to have you.